Yeah, guys, here's the number, $28,700,000 to make it through the fiscal year. The state auditor released some recommendations to move forward.
Oklahomans deserve answers to this too. This is our money. This is taxpayer money, and we take that very, very, very seriously. And it frankly has been treated like monopoly money.
I don't think they need more money. I just don't think they have the sophistication to figure it out.
That was earlier this month when the State Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services said they needed help with payroll. The commissioner asked for $23 million to pay employees, which lawmakers agreed to. But Tuesday, State Auditor Cindy Byrd released Part 1 of an audit requested by Governor Stitt.
Part 1 does lay out some of the issues with current administration, but be very clear that these issues span several administrations.
One of the main recommendations from Byrd's office, hiring a qualified CFO as soon as possible. The new audit also shows the mental health department will need $28,700,000 in supplemental funding to get through the rest of fiscal year 2025.
Over $750 million a year agency, and you need someone with the qualifications of a CPA who understands the cash flow, who understands all the different areas of this agency to keep things going.
Along with putting in an internal audit department, Byrd also recommended looking at the qualifications of recent executive hires and moving funding from, quote, unnecessary executive positions to fulfill operational obligations. However, she did tell us there are factors that ODMH SAS can't control.
It's also a provider that bills Medicaid, so anytime those payments are slowed down, that's going to cause a cash flow issue with the agency as well.
But a new CFO isn't a quick fix. The department gave us this statement saying, quote, we've created a large table of external diverse experts to help bring light and end years of corruption. We are reviewing Cindy Byrd's document, and we look forward to the additional contributions from third-party investigators and financial auditors in the coming months.
There's not one fix for this agency. That's why we felt there was an urgency to put out Part 1.
Now, the state auditor could not give us a time frame on when Part 2 of that audit would be completed. We're live at the Capitol. Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.